Cherry blossom season has arrived in Tokyo. So today I'm getting a head start on finding you some fun cherry blossom themed activities for you to try in the springtime in the city. Oh, what? That is so creative. Oh my goodness. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe for more Japan adventures and stay tuned for a little springtime treat for you guys on buyfood.com. Sakura season, or cherry blossom season, is a time where everything including cafes, restaurants, and food turn pink and become all things cherry blossom. So first, I'm kicking off the season with some cherry blossom themed sweets. Let's go! Today I am in the Meguro area, and it happens to be one of Tokyo's busiest cherry blossom viewing hotspots with a very popular Sakura festival every year. And you can tell it's really popular because they even have cherry blossoms on the sidewalk. But today I'm here for something a little different. So follow me to find out what it is. Let's go. Oh, and here we are. This might look like the hallway of an apartment building, but it's actually the entrance to a cooking class that I'm going to take today, and I'm going to learn how to make some cherry blossom themed sweets. So let's go ring the doorbell and meet my teacher.
Hi. Welcome. Come on in.
Oh, this is the kitchen.
Yeah, this is my new studio.
This is beautiful,
Yeah,
really
thank
spacious.
you. I'm Miyuki, and I've been doing cooking class here in the Meguro area for the past 10 years. I started with savory classes, teaching foreigners visiting Japan. During the pandemic, I did a lot of mochi making classes, and I realized so many people around the world are interested in making mochi and as well as Japanese sweets. So after the pandemic, I decided to turn this class into a Wagashi School. Wagashi means Japanese sweets.
Also, I noticed that you have this beautiful Hinamatsuri display
Yes.
for Girls' Day.
Yes.
What exactly do you have displayed here?
Well, in this class, I want to show foreigners not just about cooking or making Japanese sweets. I want to show them about our Japanese culture, because mochi plays a very important role in our culture. And during Hinamatsuri, we have this diamond-shaped mochi called hishi mochi. It's 3 colors. Today we'll be making a 3-colored dango. It's the same colors, but it's a spring dessert, so it has a different meaning to it. This one, the green, is made with mugwort, yomogi. Yeah, mugwort. Mugwort is a very healthy herb, and it's a sign of good health. And the white is made with water chestnuts. It's a sign of purity. Pink is colored with gardenia. Pink or red in Japan is to ward off the evil spirits.
And do you know why they use mochi for these kind of displays?
For every festival, we have some kind of usually mochi, but a different kind of Japanese sweets.
All right, well, I can't wait to learn how to make my very own desserts today. So let's go get set up and get started. Okay, so we're all set up. What exactly are we going to be making today?
Okay, so first of all, we're going to be making the 3-colored dango.
Oh,
This is one. Okay.
This is also called hanami dango.
Green stands for the grass that's coming out from the ground in spring. And white stands for the snow that's still on the ground. And pink stands for the flowers that are blooming. So when you put it on the skewer, it should always be in this order. So in the bowl, there's already glutinous rice flour and sugar. Normally we don't put sugar in the dango because we eat it with the sauce. So maybe you've seen the mitarashi dango, the dango
so
with the sweet soy sauce glaze. So all these do not have sugar in the dango itself. But today, to enjoy the 3 colors, if you don't put any sugar, it just tastes like plain rice.
Right.
You just mix it with a spatula until it forms like a dough ball. We say earlobe softness, like a mimi tabu.
I have not heard that expression before.
Yeah. In this class, I only use glutinous rice flour because it's kind of hard to get Japanese non-glutinous rice flour outside of Japan.
Got it.
So I've simplified the recipe. Then you want to roll it into like a log shape and divide it into 3.
I feel like I'm doing crafts, which is, I love doing crafts, it's really fun. I feel like I made, look, it's a snowman. That's not what we're making today, but it's a snowman.
Next, we're going to color the pink. You can use red food coloring or pink food coloring to color, then split it in half. But today we're going to use sakura powder. Tastes and smells like sakura. And then you fold it in half and press. If you don't press, the color doesn't spread. So you really need to press to mix it, not just go round and round.
It smells so good. It smells like cherry blossom.
Yeah. The last one is going to be green.
Okay.
And here we have two kinds of green. One is matcha and the other one is mugwort, dried mugwort.
Oh, they're actual
Like
little herbs.
They're actually just dried.
Really?
Yes.
They use the actual dried herbs? I didn't know that.
And it's not going to be all really green. It'll be like a speckled green, like a duck egg.
Yes.
But it will get greener when you boil it.
All right, so we just boiled the dango and we boiled them for about 2 to 3 minutes.
Yeah, 2 to 3 minutes, and then we wait 1 minute before we take it out in cold water.
We'll let it sit for about 10 minutes or
yes.
so. And is there anything we can make while we're waiting?
While we're waiting, we're going to make nerikiri.
Ooh, we get to make
the spring
these?
nerikiri.
That's so beautiful.
It's a popular spring motif.
That's so beautiful. And I'm really excited to make this one because I've never made the leaf shape before.
Okay.
So pretty. And can you tell me, what is nerikiri wagashi?
In Japan, we call it high-grade fresh confections, jo namagashi. That's served as the main sweet. It is made with white bean paste and mochi as a binding ingredient. So it's not a casual sweet, so you don't really see it in supermarkets. It's usually ordered to the wagashi makers by the tea houses, according to the theme of the tea ceremony. So if it's spring, it might be this sakura. So what you want to do, this round dough, to put your two pinkies together and kind of make a V shape like this and roll it back and forth until you have like a teardrop shape.
All right.
Now we're going to press it into like a leaf shape. Now we're going to draw the veins.
Okay.
You want to hold the needle as it's pointing yourself and lay it as flat as possible, and you kind of go glide like. Now we're going to put the filling inside. It's going to be hidden. So
Hidden,
yes,
okay,
yes.
so it's okay. Just make the width right. Oh, you just fold it.
Yes, and just make it a bit pointy so it looks more. So you want to take the pink sakura color dough and put it between parchment paper.
Okay.
This. And you want to take this wagashi tool called the triangle stick and use the flat side to press it to about 2 millimeters thickness.
Let's just press down.
Yes, to about this thickness. Then peel it away. Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to use these two mini cookie cutter looking things. These are specifically designed for nerikiri?
Yes, nerikiri, yes.
Great, okay, so I'm gonna start with the big one. Oh, it's very easy to press it in, actually. Oh, gotta be careful. Oh, okay. Kind of nervous to break it, but it's so cute. Beautiful.
If it still falls off, you can always use like water as glue so it sticks on.
It's stuck. Yay! Okay, I did it.
Okay, and then now you want to take a little piece of yellow dough.
Okay.
And
Oh, what? That is so creative. Oh my goodness.
And then you use this scriber to take a tiny piece
What?
and put it
Good.
like
Whoa.
this. And then just take a small piece.
It looks
like this.
just like the center of a flower.
Yes.
Oh, it worked. Wow. This blows my mind. All right, so now we finished our nerikiri.
Yes.
It looks so pretty. It feels like spring. But now we've been neglecting our hanami dango, so we still have them cooling off and they're ready to put on a skewer. All right, so for today, this is my finished product. This one has the mugwort mochi. We have a full plate of wagashi desserts now. Miyuki-san even kindly made us some ichigo daifuku. Very quickly, I will add, because she's a pro. You can see two different types and even see the inside of the daifuku with the strawberry. It looks amazing. But I'd really like to try our hanami dango that we made. We're gonna enjoy it with some matcha green tea. That is so smooth.
Yes.
It's not bitter. It's really, really easy to drink.
Yes. And also it's a balance between sweet and bitter. So during the tea ceremony, the sweets are served first, and then the matcha is served to cleanse your palate because your mouth is really sugary.
And I want to try the mugwort. You don't really taste too much like of a leafy flavor. Oh, it's good. More flavor comes out toward the end, the more you chew, you get a little bit more sweetness at the end, like a herbal tea or something. It's very tasty, a little bit sweet, really natural flavors, which I love. Thank you so much for having me. This was super, super fun. I learned how to make so many things I've never actually done before. And if you guys are interested in making traditional Japanese wagashi sweets, you can actually sign up for this very class and learn from Miyuki-san herself. If you click the links down below, we'll have the links you can join. And I'm gonna go look for some more cherry blossom themed sweets. So I'll see you guys at the next stop. See you guys there. Here we are. This last stop is the icing on the cake, if you will. Just a few minutes walk from Omotesando Station, this cafe is called MOSKA by Ginger Garden, and it's known for its gorgeous interior and really adorable desserts. And during cherry blossom season, they go all out for their guests with a themed afternoon tea. So let's go inside and see what it looks like. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, it's like I've entered a cherry blossom wonderland. And all of the afternoon tea seats are just nestled underneath the cherry blossoms like a real cherry blossom picnic. To duck under the cherry blossoms to get to your seat. I feel like I'm really just nestled in cherry blossoms. And look at this afternoon tea spread. Everything is cherry blossom themed. But I was wondering what this box is, this mysterious box. Apparently the savories are hidden inside the box, which is a very cool way to present it. So let's open it up and see what's inside. This is so exciting. It's like opening a present. Oh, what? There's little drawers inside. I wasn't expecting that. All right, let's open the first box, box number 1. Ta-da! Spring vegetable and honey mustard sauce grilled chicken bruschetta. And there's one for each guest. So this afternoon tea is for 2 people, so both of the boxes have one inside. Oh, that's really pretty too. It's a spring cabbage and cherry blossom shrimp garlic pepperoncino. Okay, let's look at the next row. Unexpected, it's odango. They're little mochi balls on a skewer. But this is very unusual, I think, for a afternoon tea, even in Japan. All right, let's open the last row. Is the roast beef with red onion, tartar sauce, and mashed potato tart. What a creative idea. And all of this looks so incredible. And I should note that all of the desserts and the amuse-bouche here, they were designed and created by 2 multi-talented Japanese chefs. So let's see what we can try today. I cannot wait. Let's start by sipping some of our green tea, which is not very common at afternoon tea anywhere, even in Japan. Ooh, that's a really refreshing tea. And I think it's fitting. Afternoon tea under the cherry blossoms, why wouldn't you drink green tea? All right, I'm gonna start with one of the savories. I'm gonna go in one bite, because I think they're meant to be eaten in one bite. So here we go. That's a mouthful. The outside tart, really tasty. What I love about tiny amuse-bouche is they amuse your mouth, which is literally what it means in French. So you feel this variety of flavors in one bite. Okay, let's try the dango. And I love the presentation in the sake cup. The sake cup here is called a sake masu. It's made of bamboo and they use it for special occasions like weddings. Anything that you want to celebrate. This one is only soy sauce and it's been grilled, so it's 100% savory. And the mochi is so chewy. Maybe one of the chewiest, softest mochis I've had. It's really good. All right, next I want to try some sweets. I'm really interested in this one here. It's the cherry blossom and pistachio and vanilla mousse cake with a cherry blossom or sakura chocolate on top. Very artistic. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Very tart and fruity and a little bit sour because of the framboise taste. I'm really curious to try cherry blossom monaka. Monaka is a Japanese dessert, which is basically a Japanese wafer, but it's unlike any wafer that you would have tried in a Western country. I always describe the texture as really light and crisp. You can see how the white bean paste has spread inside. When you press it together, the little ball of red bean paste spreads out pretty evenly inside. Next, I really want to try this beautiful parfait, which is definitely the star of the show. It's the Uji Matcha Blanc Manger Tiramisu Parfait, and it's topped with a sakura monaka on top as well. Let's dig in. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. And all of that strawberry on the inside. Oh wow. That is really tasty. And you can taste the cherry blossoms on the inside, and there's lots of creamy mascarpone cheese, which makes it so tasty. This is so good. What a beautiful blend of flavors. This was such a wonderful afternoon tea. I had so much fun just being surrounded by cherry blossoms. And I also had so much fun today learning how to make cherry blossom themed wagashi. I really truly feel like I'm having a magical picnic outside in the perfect fantasy cherry blossom land without having to deal with the actual elements outside. So if you want to experience that too, this is definitely the perfect place to come. And I also want to let you guys know that speaking of cherry blossoms, we're actually having a cherry blossom sakura campaign on buyfood.com. So if you guys want to book anything on our website, everything will be 5% off. So click the links down below, but make sure to do that before the end of cherry blossom season because the 5% off campaign will only last till April 30th. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a like and comment down below which cherry blossom activity I did today that you guys would enjoy most. And we'll see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys!